Are you looking to sync your Snapchat contacts to easily connect with your friends and family? In this full guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Once you're in the Snapchat app, locate the account icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon to enter the settings menu. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Contact Syncing and tap on it. Step 5. In the Contact Syncing section, you'll find the option Share Contacts with Snapchat. Tap on it to enable the syncing feature. By following these simple steps, you can easily sync your Snapchat contacts, allowing you to connect and stay in touch with your friends and family more conveniently. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to sync your Snapchat contacts. Enjoy a seamless Snapchat experience, staying connected with the people who matter to you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you sync your Snapchat contacts effortlessly. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.